shoes, you can do it.
Yeah! All your laces dragging on the floor.
Trip, don't fall.
We're about to score.
Get ready to lock them down.
Tie your shoes, you can do it. Let's go!
Tie your shoes, you can do it. Yeah. Take your time, get right into it. Yeah.
Cross it over, pull it tight. Get those laces sitting right.
Tie your shoes, you can do it. Go step by step, watch the magic show. Magic show.
Look down at your feet, what do you see? Two long laces hanging loose and free. Don't pack them in, don't stuff them inside. We're gonna tie 'em up with a whole lot of pride. First make an X, just cross them real neat. Tuck one under, now you started the beat. Pull it nice and tight till it sits on your shoe. That's step number one, look at what you can do.
Tie your shoes, you can do it. Yeah. Take your time, get right into it. Yeah.
Cross it over, pull it tight. Get those laces sitting right.
Tie your shoes, you can do it. Go step by step, watch the magic show. Magic show.
Now make one loop like a bunny's big ear. Hold it real steady, there's nothing to fear. Take the other lace, wrap it all the way around. Find a little hole hiding near the ground. Push a little loop right through the space. Grab both ears, now we're winning the race. Pull them both tight, stretch them out wide. Look at that knot, feel the power inside. Did you cross it?
Yeah.
Did you loop it?
Yeah.
Did you pull it?
Yeah.
Now you got it.
Nice.
No more tripping on the playground. We're ready to run.
Tie your shoes, you can do it. Take your time, get right into it. Yeah.
Cross it over, pull it tight. Get those laces sitting right.
Tie your shoes, you can do it. Go step by step, watch the magic show. Magic show.
Double knotted if you wanna go fast. That's a fresh tie, that's gonna last. You did it yourself, yeah, you know the rule. The flies can't